During today's reading mini lesson, we talked about how characters can change because of things that happen to them. We referenced the book Rescue and Jessica, Dad, Jackie, and Me, and The Glorious Flight. We talked about how in the book Rescue and Jessica, Jessica got rescued for her service dog, and that changed her. She became independent and felt happy. In the book Dad, Jackie, and Me, we talked about Dad. Dad got tickets to a Brooklyn Dodgers game and got interested in baseball. What did that do to him? He became a baseball fan. He supported someone else who suffered prejudice in Jackie Robinson. He even learned to play baseball, which he couldn't do when he was young because he was deaf. The son was also involved in some change. Because of hanging out with his dad and having the appreciation with his dad of baseball, he appreciated what his dad did to communicate and prove himself, and he understood about discrimination. The last book we talked about was The Glorious Flight with our character, Papa. Papa saw a machine flying in the sky. What did that do to him? It helped him build many machines until one worked. He learned to be a pilot and he flew across the English Channel. During your independent reading time today, I want you to think about an event or something that changed your character. What did it do and how did it affect the rest of the book? Be sure to be ready to share with us when we get back together.